Today, with the smart money concept, you are going to learn how to follow the trend, downtrend or uptrend. Generally, there are two ways we can easily follow the uptrend and downtrend, hunting, and the other way is pullback. In this video, we will learn everything together simply, easily, and quickly. Let's start the video. Hey guys, welcome to your YouTube channel. Subscribe our channel, like this video, and write your question in comment. Today with Smart Money, we are going to learn how to follow the trends, uptrend or downtrend, and trade in the direction of trend. We can follow the trend in two ways, guys, with Smart Money. At the beginning of this video, we will open the discussion with each other. And at the end of video, we will learn the exact entry points that will create the best position for you. So be sure to stay with us until the end of video. Generally, we have two trends, uptrend and downtrend. This is our uptrend here, and this is our downtrend. In the uptrend, when the recent high is broken, we say we have a BOS or break off structure, like this area. In the downtrend, same, when our recent low is broken in this area, we have a BOS or break off structure. So first of all, you should know that BOS or break off structure show the price tendency to continue the trend, which we have just learned together on the area. Let's go to the chart. We have an uptrend. See that price has an uptrend with higher highs and low. When the recent high are broken, we say we have a BOS or break off structure. Here we have a downtrend. This is our downtrend. It has lower lows and highs. In this area, we have a break off structure, so we had these areas too. So you can find the BOS or break off structure on chart very well. After that, in this downtrend and uptrend, there are two areas that are very important for you. Let's go to the first one. In the uptrend, the first area that is important to us these recent lows. The second area that is important to us is our high that has been broken. And the same is true in the downtrend. If you see these recent highs are important to us and this area that have been broken, guys, these areas help us to follow the trend in two ways that we are learning now. Number one, we have a downturn. In this way, either at the first area, in one case we can follow to downtrend with this area. If the price hunt this area and then falls back, then we can follow the trend. Our second entry is the recent low that was broken. It should only correct after the BOS and return the bottom of the zone. Let's look at the example again. The price in this area has been in a downtrend. Here is the recent high and I could have taken a position here. Let's identify the recent lows together. Here I had one low that was broken and after that we have a pullback. Then I can open the short position and going with the downtrend. Exactly the same for the uptrend. The price had a higher high and lows. These lows very important for us. The price comes down to hunt this zone and returns up. Here I can go with the uptrend too. For the next zone, we said after the BOS of breakoff structure, we want to see a pullback and price move. Then I can enter a buy or long position here so that I can go with the uptrend too. In an uptrend, for going with the trend, I can draw several zones. I can follow with two smart money methods. Let's go see a few more examples on the chart together. Well, we said here that we had an uptrend that had higher high and higher lows. This zone very important to us. In this area, none of them were hunted. So this area didn't give us entry. Let's go to highs. This was the first high that had broken but didn't have a pullback. The second high hadn't pulled back too. But the third high, we see that the price pulled it back after breaking and give us entry. You can see that easily touch targets too. You can also use this again. If you look, this was my recent high and this was my recent low. I didn't have an entry here, but I can have entered the position with this small hunting. Let's go to the downturn after that. This is a downtrend that has lower high and lows. Two zones are important for us in this area. Number one is the recent low that was broken, and the other is this high. On this high, when it was hunted, I could have entered a position that would have hit the stop loss. But when the price returned below that, again, I was able to enter and easily get a target. Let's take another example on chart. On the downtrend, in this area, we have a downtrend with lower high and lows. None of these highs have been hunted, but this high has been hunted and I could have had a good short position here. Here on these two lows, with the internal pullback broken, we could have a good position. Friends, like the video, subscribe the channel and write your question in comment. Goodbye.